We are going to unbox the ultimate scavenger hunt kit. So we have stickers, notebook, a magnifying glass, binoculars, a little pouch to put all these things into, and the guide. So the guide has, let me come closer. Actually, I can just zoom. Has all the different scavenger hunts from outdoor, indoor, alphabet, different seasons. For example, we go around the garden and see ants, leaves, trees, and different items in the garden, flowers. This way the child learns the real life example of what they're learning and what they're seeing in the picture. That will give them faster and a more exciting, playful way of learning their vocabulary. The magnifying glass to take a closer look at how what the ants look like. Binoculars if the birds are far away. It's a whole lot of fun, and you can even add your details and write it down in the notebook. Let me read the back for you. Perfect for classrooms, parties, or quiet afternoons. Reinforce early learning in a playful, low pressure way. Great for mixed age groups and sensitive friendly play. Created by educators to promote real world skill building. How to play? Pick a scavenger hunt, grab your hunt list, explore, find, and shout, found it. No prep, no screens, just real play, real learning. Grab yours today.